Hey, sweetheart. How you going? Good. He's got a very tight leg on this side. Hiccups?
If Mommy says if I can massage, can I?
Well, it's up to Mama Mantra. It's just that he's going to be swearing quite a lot. It's all right. She's seen me have some pretty big anger releases. Just going to hold that. Doing well. Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, well, why don't you watch for a minute? So, what I'm trying to do is, he's got toes that feel this. His toes have been curled back, and this has happened over a long time, like not just yesterday. Yours don't do this, see? So I'm just trying to get him, and he's deep. But don't put like oil on him or distraction. He needs to he needs to focus on what I'm doing, Ellie. Okay, so you can watch, okay? Because I'm working him right up at his threshold of pain. That's just the massage table. Luckily, these are really well constructed.
After, should we have a swim?
Mm-hmm. Let him breathe, remember? He needs to 100% focus on what I'm doing and breathe through letting this tension go.
How's the massage going? Are you is it going good?
Slow and steady. We're getting there, but it's just, these toes, these two outer toes are so painful for him. It's getting there. It's just taking him a long time to get this tight. And so it takes a little while to loosen up. But it's very painful for him, as you can see. And it's sad because he's got all this tightness, you know? And I'm trying to help him as much as I can. But it's just really tight. I was just teaching Mahamantras about, remember when I had my anger releases and I scream, and how healthy that is? So I think he's got a little bit. That's good. Good job. Yeah. So beautiful, sweetie. And then this energy. So we gotta always let people breathe. So I'm working about this threshold. He's breathing, letting go of any anger, letting, you know, so any energy that's trapped in here, it's just gonna let it into the whole foot. It's the outer part of your foot in particular, but the big toes also need some work. But you can see we got a lot of blood flow happening there. But we made progress, but it's probably not as much progress as I made on the other foot because this one's worse.
Yeah.
But I feel like, you know, there's only, you can't just do it all in one go, you know? So we'll keep going up the leg here a little bit, and then I want to get into your hip. And then for homework, I can, if you can get hold of a chopstick, a Japanese rounded chopstick, and just work these two toes up to what you can handle and breathe. And if you feel emotion in your own private space, let it out. Like fucking screams and swear, and you know. And figure out what's in here, what's charging this, you know, because they're like supercharged, you know. And for me, I'm like 99.9% sure that it's some anger with some sadness or something, you know. Because I really think that you could actually get it where, you know, hopefully that stiffness in that joint and that stiffness, like already that is like 50% better, I feel. You feel it? Mm-hmm. It's like, it's nowhere near as stiff as it was. This one still needs a lot. You know? And these ones, you know, that's still not great. There's stuff there, you know? But it's not our priority. Your worst one is that, by far. You know, and this one was your second worst one, and you know, possibly still is, but definitely, I made some. It's to the point where even the skin at the back is kind of it's like your body's grown into this tension. You know, but I think like you doing the homework will make it easier. Then next time I can kind of come in and hopefully we can. If you just focus on those two, instead of kind of looking everywhere and going, you know. Yeah, because I feel like it's better done over a period of 3 months, you know, 3 to 6 months. But it needs like a bit every day, or a bit not even every day, every 3 days, you know. Just you know, and you breathing into it, and you know, rather than trying to. It's just overwhelming you, you know? I don't want you to hate me. I don't want that anger to be projected onto me, you know? But at least you're becoming aware, you know, of it and then going, okay, what is it, you know? Because it's what's creating all of this. Right, this is here. And in every case I've ever worked on with people, pretty much every case is related to anger. Yeah. Well, anger and its related emotions like resentment, frustration, impatience. And that's the gallbladder meridian, roughly. Okay.
And you said dandelion.
Yeah, dandelion's good for freeing up, and buplerium. So BUPLEURUM. And I can email that to you if you want. Chinese herb. So it opens up that liver energy, that stagnant liver chi, and will sometimes release the anger. So yeah, in between like now and when I see you next time, definitely go for that like dandelion root, but also the dandelion leaves. So bitter is the quality that's actually good for the liver. You know, people talk about Swedish bitters and all that kind of stuff, you know, all of that. I have a feeling you've got some liver stagnation in Chinese medicine. But yeah, I feel like I've worked that toe enough that I can work today without it being
Yeah.
creating bad pain.
Yeah.
Where it's just been, it's like it's gone, no, I've been worked enough today, you know?
Yeah.
So nice to jump in here. So what I might do, just a little bit in here, try and free this knee up a little bit. Yeah, I'm only gonna get, you know, that's like, I'm just, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's supercharged.
Yeah.
I might also give you a flower essence to take away with you, dandelion flower essence if I've got some.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's good for the mind and releasing emotions, and we could actually have a quick look at that before you go.
Like the.
For everybody, sweetie.
Hey, how come my pencil?
All right, I'm gonna get you on your side now, facing away from me.